Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to get on here really quickly because our brand new collection just went live in the shop. So I wanted to go over everything here. I do have quite a bit, so I want to just get started. I know I haven't been doing a ton of videos lately because of all the stuff that is going on in the world right now. I've been mainly focused on creating and designing, but I will get back to filming really soon. I do miss you guys, so stay tuned. You guys will be seeing a lot more videos coming out. So let's go ahead and get started with the collection. So this collection is called Bamboo Panda. So pretty. So let's go ahead and go over the Erin Condren kit first. So if you are a bundle subscriber, you do get a choice of a basic kit, or the ultimate kit that comes with the matching monthly and notes kit. Subscriptions are open right now for July's collection, which I gotta say is one of my favorites. So if you guys want to sign up, I'll leave a link down below. It is a better value, plus you do get an extra little freebie with any one of the bundles that you choose. It will be a larger freebie size with lots of fun extra deco stickers for that. So this one is the one that matches the Bamboo Panda. So it has the pagoda here, Happy Mail, weekly spread, a large full box stickers, and then some heart checklist and a cute little functional sticker off to the side there. All right, so let's go over this kit first. So of course the first page here is all of the gorgeous deco with all these cute little pandas, some cranes there, your weekend banner, all of your fun icons. The second sheet is your washi strips, so the two large washies here, some little page flags, and then lots of extra little boxes and headers there. And then sheet number 3 are all of your quarter boxes and half boxes. Number 4, of course, you guys hear it every time, my favorite sheet of all of the kits is the full boxes, and this is so gorgeous with the cute little pandas playing. This is really nice, so you guys can put stickers on top of it and layer, maybe put a little quote over here as well. So pretty. And then sheet number 5 are all of your full box checklists. And then number 6 is your date covers, your task reminders, and then some washi and to-do headers. So that is a look at the weekly kit. Now, if you do purchase this in the shop, you can select your sheets individually or all together. You get it at a better value as well. And then also, of course, if you sign up for the subscription, you get it for an even better value. So this one is not available for subscribing, but you can get it in the shop now. All right, so the ultimate sticker kit does come with the monthly and notes kit. So the monthly is so pretty with the flying cranes up top here. I love the colors. Your extra boxes down at the bottom, and then it also comes with all of your date numbers here, some icons, boxes, money, and then your side border here. And then the notes kit, so pretty. So the 2 long boxes here, and then the extra stickers to do goals, events, and then some hearts. And then of course the June banner up at the top there. So that is a look at the Erin Condren one. Now we also of course have a Hobonichi Weeks kit, one of my favorite new additions to all of our sticker bundles. So the monthly kit is 1 sticker sheet. It has the June border here, the date covers, all of the dates down here. I love that there are these boxes now. It just makes it look so pretty once you put all of them down. And then of course the bottom washi strips, and then your full boxes and extra boxes here. I decided to leave these ones blank because I know a lot of people like to put in like their own sticker for the money sign or for your cell phone and things like that. All right, and then there are 4 matching weekly kits for this one. So of course the Bamboo Panda. So this one has the top washi and bottom washi, and then also on the second page here as well. And then a very large sticker that fits right in the middle of the page. Again, these are also a la carte, so if you like just the deco, you can buy that, or you can get all of the functional stickers, or you can get them both at a better value. So all of the boxes and date covers here. Now this one is very similar as well. This one is called Flying Crane. I thought it would be really nice to do something very similar to the notes kit in the Erin Condren, where on the right hand side of the Hobonichi Weeks you can use this as a note section, and it's split up into 3 sections, which is what I like to do in my Hobonichi Weeks, is have 3 sections. So the top one here, middle, and bottom one, and this covers the full sheet of the Hobonichi Weeks page. And then this one is very similar to the Bamboo Panda, except this is a very long strip, so it is all together. I love that they're like different colors for Monday and Tuesday on down the line. So pretty. Now these two are very similar as well for the layout. So we have Pagoda Sunset and In the Mist. Look at how gorgeous the In the Mist is. I love these colors together. So pretty. And then in this little box here, there's a cute little panda there. I also added a few other stickers to this. So I have movie night, me time, to do, to buy, and then some extra little icons here as well. And then the same layout for the Pagoda Sunset. So the dividers up top here, all of the fun deco, the bottom and top washi. So the top washi is actually on one page and the bottom washi is on the other, and then all of the boxes and the long date strip as well. So that is a look at the Hobonichi Weeks, all 4 kits and the matching monthly kit. So pretty. And then we also have the bullet journal sticker bundle. This is available in the shop a la carte, but if you sign up for next month, you will be getting something similar to this. I do like to change up the bullet journal layout every month, just a little bit here and there, but you will always get a deco page. Now the bullet journal deco is a lot larger than like the Erin Condren or the Hobonichi Weeks, because you can use this for your bullet journal, for scrapbooking, things like that. So I decided to go with Peace and Calm. I just thought that would be so perfect for June, and of course fits the panda theme. And then some extra fun little boxes and deco there. It also always comes with a calendar. So these are 2 large calendars. They're a little bit smaller than like A5 size. So if you have like just a smaller notebook that you're working with, these will possibly fit. I used the Erin Condren notebook for my bullet journaling last year, and these fit perfectly in there. So they're just a little bit smaller, so you can use them with a lot of other notebooks. It also comes with a June tracker. So gorgeous. I just love this and all of the colors. Very pretty. Now the date covers and the headers are available in the shop a la carte, or you can get them as a set together. These actually fit the Hobonichi cousin perfectly. Just this one, the other ones in the shop are a little bit larger, but I wanted to make this more versatile and make these fit the cousin. So if you are using that, they would be perfect for that. So all of these will fit up top, and then also the smaller ones will as well. These are actually really nice if you use the cousin and have the daily pages. You can put this little box on the left hand side or the right hand side of the washi, and it will cover up the tops or the bottom of your Hobonichi cousin. If you just have your bullet journal, you can use this as a header, and then this just as an extra box, maybe in like your weekly spread or things like that. And then I also added some date dots as well, so you can put those right on top of your weekly or your monthly spread. And then this month I decided to do 2 full boxes. So just like the Erin Condren and the Hobonichi Weeks, I wanted the bullet journal to have this large note section as well. So there are 3 boxes with the checklist as well. They are the same size as the calendar, so it will be able to fit a lot of different bullet journals or notebooks out there. And then this one is really nice. It's a large box as well. So it'll be fun to play around with, maybe put some washi strips down. So like in the Erin Condren, we have these large washi strips. There's one right here that will look really nice as a backdrop as well. So that is a look at all of the bullet journal stickers. We also have a very own A5 cousin collection as well. Right now we don't have any subscriptions to the A5 cousin, but we will possibly make some in the future. If you guys are interested in getting a sticker subscription for the A5 cousin, let me know down below. But these are available in the shop right now. So of course a monthly kit. So this one has like a sidebar here, some extra boxes, full boxes, a little extra box up top, June, all of your date covers, your date flags here, the bottom washi so you guys can write on, and then some extra boxes and flags there. So that is a look at the monthly kit. And then we also have 4 kits for the cousin as well. So very similar to the Hobonichi Weeks, but larger, a lot larger. So there is some fun deco on this one. This is made for the sidebar, so you can actually just set it right on down like that. They are separated though, so you can put it wherever you like. So for the little top box here, I like to put the dates of the week in here, your full box, your task reminders, and then a full box checklist here. And then the washi strip. So one is a little bit smaller than the other. That one is meant for the left-hand side, and this is meant for the right. It also has your date covers here, lots of boxes. So these are larger boxes that fit right in the weeks. These ones are a little bit smaller, so if you like to see the times of the week as well, this is perfect for that. And then of course your full boxes here. So it has like a little scallop top to it with some cranes on it here. So pretty. And then I'll quickly run through the rest of the kits. So this one is the bamboo panda. So gorgeous. Same exact layouts. There are a few different tweaks like in the area up top here, but for the most part they are the same. This is so pretty in the mist. And then the last kit is Pagoda Sunset. So gorgeous. And then, like I said, we also have 2 matching sticker albums for this collection. I have the Panda one here. Oh my gosh, is this not the cutest thing? With the sidebar and then also the back here, gorgeous. We also have one that actually matches in the mist as well with the purple and blue like teal background to it. I don't have that here, but we do have that in the shop. It is so gorgeous. These will come in 3 different sizes, so you can get it in the large 6x8 here, the Hobonichi Week size, or in the mini size, which fits like washi cards or sticker samplers. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our brand new Panda collection. I do plan on doing a ton more videos, so stay tuned for those. If you want to see more, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!